Monday, March 4th, a little over half hour before US session open. Today I will be trading the RK System Platinum. There is going to be a webinar this Thursday coming up, so I figured to get ready for the webinar I can be trading this system today. This is the first system that I traded for NINZA going back into last summer. This one is very consistent. Has
NQ, sell signal 1.
As you can hear, it talks to you. It has a number of different signals. I trade it in a certain way, so just quickly to explain. I like long trades above the line or short trades below the line. Like this one would not be a qualified short trade for me. It's above the line. Then I take only the first signal in a sequence. So in the long, I only take the first long. I don't keep taking longs. That's just my approach, and I'll be using it for scalping. This is out of the box settings, default settings. I changed nothing. As we get closer to the actual open, I might change the brick size. We'll see. So far it looks alright. It is very choppy here in the pre-market, but it looks alright. I think I'm going to keep this, these settings, default settings, and we'll see how things are going to go. As always, there'll be no narration in the first hour and a half after the session opens. I am with my live room, so there'll be no narration here, but there will be some, as long as I'm trading, like into the afternoon, then there will be some narration. So that's it. Talk to you soon.
Order fill. Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
So I think I missed, I missed the trade earlier, just a quick partial. But wow, it has been such a narrow range day. Just very uninspiring to trade. Very impressed that RK System Platinum was able to give me a profitable day here. Really choppy. I mean, as choppy as you can get. RK System, though, stay with it. Found somehow in this chop, found winning trade opportunities. Quite amazing, really. Just given the market, I think the whole range today is something like 70 points, really narrow. So now there is a long here. I don't know if I feel like taking it, kind of buying into the high. Somewhat apprehensive. I'm going to let this trade go. Besides, it's not the first. Well, see, the thing is, it is the first signal in a direction, because if you see here, for me this is a reset. So actually, this is a long, right? This is the first signal. I would not take the second one, also because it's below this line anyway. But then here, the indicator goes bearish. So for me, this is a reset. This would have been the first signal. I just don't want to take it into this high. So you see, RK System kind of gives you some levels here. Looking left, I see this, and I just don't want to buy into it, given how choppy this day has been. So I'm going to let this trade go. If there is something else before the market closes, I'll take it. If not, I'll just show my rhythmic dashboard and be done. A really choppy day. So it looks like it would have worked out at least for something. Alright, well, I was not able to catch another trade. There was another trade. I was again just chickened out because of the kind of day it was. So this was a beautiful short by RK System Platinum. I did not take it. You have to understand, it's been really a very challenging day. No follow through on either side until now. Toward the end of the day, a nice move down. But yeah, you know, I am very impressed that this is the total that RK System Platinum delivered today, given the impossible conditions, completely untradeable. You know, we can kind of look back. So that's what I was talking about in the morning. I do not take short trades above the line. I don't take these. These tend to be not as high probability. So, you know, again, you must go for very small targets in the market like this. If you went for a small target, this would have been a winning trade. You know, definitely this would have been another trade I avoided, but ended up being a winning trade. So I only take the first signal in a direction. This short would have worked out. So I mean, given, you know, given the kind of market we had, it's actually extremely impressive that RK System Platinum did as well as it did. Somehow it finds these locations to take trades when the market is completely sideways, no direction whatsoever, just back and forth in a tight range. But RK System Platinum just manages to find setups. So amazing stuff. Anyway, I hope you will join me this Thursday when I will be featuring RK System Platinum, and hopefully it's gonna be a slightly easier day to trade. I can't imagine it being more difficult, let's put it this way. So that's it for today. Thank you all. Leave me a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel, look in the description for any information, and I hope to see all of you on Thursday.